Hello everyone, I thought I would just quickly show you how you can upgrade to the 5000 pack. So if you scroll down, you just have to see the balance right there. And what you do next is this. I'll just show you. You scroll down a little bit, of where obviously you can see all the important informations down there. And you just want to upgrade the latest package that you purchased, which is for me the 12th of December. Right there. Just a minute. So it's just right there, the 12th of December, as you see. Okay, so then you would have to click upgrade right there. Okay, so you choose Silver Plus, which is the 5000 pack, obviously. And you just scroll down and you press upgrade now at the very bottom. And as you can see, there are a higher percentage of course, if you're already in the silver group, for binary bonuses and direct bonuses. So it does worse to upgrade to higher packs in the future when you're earning enough. So it really does pay off, trust me, if you want to earn passively. So you just click upgrade now, and it will disappear from the balance, that $4,000 difference. Yeah, you just click upgrade. And there it is. And since I have, okay, I just show you where my new pack is. See, it shows 5000 right there, Silver Plus. Okay, what we can do a withdrawal of my leftover money. And I just click withdrawal and select the amount which I want to withdraw, which is 169. Select my Bitcoin address, the wallet I want to send it to. I need to give my 2FA from my phone to verify that I am the one who wants to initiate this transaction. And I click withdraw. Okay, so I have 0.55 USDT in my balance right now, and I will start earning on my pack tomorrow. So it really does worth upgrading to higher packs along the way, because you can be eligible to earn more. Since if you are building a team, it's very important to find the balance between your own packs and your bonuses. Okay, so obviously if your bonuses are higher than your own pack, the value of your own pack, you're not going to get paid on them. So you have to make sure you keep a balance between your own packages and between the bonuses that you receive from your team and the team building. So you have to make sure that you do it the right way. Okay, so if you have any questions or problems or any concerns or anything you would like to share, just make sure you subscribe and contact me anytime.